Let's just think about animals. Just think about them. They can't even say, they can't even express their feelings. They can't even cry. Just think about them. If they got sick, they can't even say that I'm sick. Think about them. We human beings got a lot of things to express our feelings, express our sorrow. We have got a lot of things. God has given us a lot of things. So why are we not using it in a proper way? So why are we wasting our time to judging people, to compare them with someone else or doing something else? Why? Why are we making fun of people instead of motivate them, instead of encourage them, instead of help them? Why are we doing this? And even animals can't speak, can't express their feelings. They have a lot of emotions than what we human beings used to have. You know, they respect people more than we human beings. Please try to observe them and try to learn from them how to respect people, how to trust people, how to care people, and how to talk to people. Yes, that's the most important thing, how to talk to people. And even being a human being, we don't know how to respect people, how to understand people, how to treat people, and most important thing is we don't know how to talk to people. You know, your one word is enough to destroy people's feelings. Your one word is enough to make people feel useless. You know, just think about it. And if you don't know how to talk, please don't talk. Please stay away from them. Just think about it. And actually what we have to do is, firstly, we should know ourselves. We should understand ourselves properly. If we understand ourselves, then only we can understand other peoples also. Please try to understand people. Please try to understand their feelings. Please try to respect them. You know, without respect, you have nothing. Please try to think about it. Please try to think about what respect really called, why it exists in this world also. So please learn to respect everyone, not only elders but juniors also, because they are also the human beings as we are. And we must learn to respect animals. So it's my request to you all, please don't judge and don't compare anyone with anyone else. Please. That's my main point to make this video. So if my word, my saying hurt anybody, I'm extremely sorry for that. Please don't take it in a negative way. Take it in a very serious way. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing updates. Thanks a lot.